Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you just one ingredient that you can use to promote your hair growth. It is gonna help you to stop your hair loss. It's gonna help you to regrow your edges, your bald spot. If you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, hair breakage, this ingredient is gonna help you out. So if this sounds interesting to you, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. So guys, let's get this video started. So loves, the ingredient we are using is lavender. Okay, this is an amazing hair growth spice for hair loss. It treats hair loss, it treats hair freeze, you understand. So we're going to be using this measuring spoon for our lavender. All right, so here are the benefits of lavender helps to strengthen your hair follicles and promotes hair growth. Regular application of lavender on your hair improves your hair texture by conditioning your hair follicles. It reduces freezings and it makes your hair fall to stop in a controllable way. Okay, the fragrance in lavender helps to stop hair loss and treat dandruff and also reduce patterns of baldness. All right, so I just added hot water and I'm going to allow this to infuse for 8 hours. After 8 hours we'll sieve it and then we'll apply this on my hair. So this is after 8 hours of infusion. So this is what it looks like. If you are infusing this, you can infuse this at the top of your kitchen counter. You don't need to put it in a cold area or a hot area. So this is just me sieving the lavender. All right guys, so after I sieve it, you don't need the chaff again. You can dispose of this because even if you put hot water on it, it's not going to come out the same color as we have in the first batch. Okay, so after this we'll transfer this in my spray bottle. After transferring to my spray bottle, we will apply this on my hair. So guys, thank you all so much for we're almost in 300 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys are the best. God bless you all for seeing my video, to watch it and engaging also in the comment section. Please do well to like and share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well if you are new. Hi, my name is Jessica. Welcome to Naturally Jessie. So this is my hair. I braided my hair all back and I'll just be applying this all over my hair. After applying this all over my hair, I'll use my oils and my butter and my leave-in condition. That's the routine I always do. Guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you all so much for watching to this extent. If you do watch this extent, thank you. God bless you. God enrich you. And I will see you all in my next DIY video. My video is all about DIY for hair growth, just to help you to promote your hair growth. I suffer from hair loss, thin edges, so I'm trying to regrow my hair, and I'm also taking you all along in the journey of my hair growth journey. I hope you find my video worthy of your time and worthy of your subscription and worthy of your liking and worthy of your sharing. So loves, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget, our natural hair makes us beautiful. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.